Welcome to Gardens of Time, a collection where Romance and Baroque meet steampunk. A brand new collection from Stamperia in collaboration with Antonis Tzanidakis, who have made everything for you. From scrapbook pads in different sizes with beautiful backgrounds and elements, beautiful big background rice papers, to your favorite Jack journal. Even a new product with a lot of focus points already pre-cutted. Ephemera, die cuts, stencils, molds, everything you need to elevate your art and creativity. Gardens of Time is where everything began, where Lady Vagabond and Sir Vagabond first met. Enjoy this collection and let it travel you through time.